Hi, Miss M6452. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Loida Numancia. I'm 43 years old, single, but have a living partner with a 6 years old son. And I'm a high school graduate and Catholic. I have more than 10 years experience here in the Philippines. My first employer, I worked there in 6 years in one employer. I serve four family, two adult, two kids, ages 2 years old and a newborn baby. I do as household chores like cooking, washing, ironing, and take good care of children. My second employer, I worked there almost 3 years. I served three members of family, couple, and 6 months old baby girl. I do ironing, laundry, cooking, and gardening, and especially to take good care of children and one dog. And I also have experience in 10 months a newborn baby here in the Philippines. And last is 2 years business contract in Oman. My main priority is to take good care of children, ages 5 years old, 4 years old, and a newborn baby.
So, you are the one who do all the household chores.
Yes.
From your first employer in the Philippines up to last and into Oman. You have also experiences taking good care of the newborn baby, right?
Yes.
For three different employers here in the Philippines, for two employers and one employer in Oman, right?
Yes.
So, you know how and you can handle taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes, I love.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check temperature, diaper, tummy, and
Okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I inform my employer that the baby is not stop crying
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because it's a good opportunity for me uh, to uh, to prepare a better future of my son and help my family needs, especially in financial needs.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employers need me, sir.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes,
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Uh, to watch YouTube and cookbooks.
Okay. And you could also ask your madam and sir if you got an employer in Hong Kong so that you could learn, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
Is it okay to you to share job with other helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in holiday setup?
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
Taking care of pets?
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes. I love.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, ma'am and sir. I hope you considering me as your housemaid helper because I'm trustworthy, patient, hardworking, respectful, and a loving person. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Loida. Thank
Thank you.
you.